Hey y'all, you'll have any leftover enchilada mix? If you do, stay tuned. We're going to show you how to make some enchilada soup, with tortilla enchilada soup. Hey y'all, so you got what the chicken looked like, right? We'll pull the chicken out of the oven. Get the mitt here. Chicken should be ready. All I did was season it with some seasonal and butter and put it in the oven. You can season it with salt and pepper, put it in the oven. Another way you can do it that would take the process away, if you'd rather have leg quarter shredded chicken, you can boil the chicken, just add some salt to the water and the chicken and boil it. And then you can use that same stock as your soup base, right? We use, in Spanish it's called consommé, in English it's called chicken stock or chicken soup base, but get the squares, not the granulated and not the chicken broth. Get consommé or soup base. Chicken bouillon, okay? Alrighty. Once you get the stock to a simmer, so you're going to take some tomato paste or tomato puree, you can get it at your local grocery store. Get like, depending on how much soup you're making, you can get a spoonful, spoon and a half. And this one we're just going to use a spoon and a half. Just kind of mix it in there. And that's going to add some color to it. And then just stir it in there. You'll see how it's changing a little bit of color. It's getting a little darker, a little redder color. So once you've got the tomato puree or tomato paste added, then you're going to add the enchilada mix. Just take some enchilada mix and pour it in here. And all you're going to do is thicken this up a little bit. And that's it. We'll show you the final product. So you take the chicken and then just pour the chicken into the soup.